Hi guys, how are you today? I hope everybody's doing all right. My crazy hair as usual. Sorry, it's bugging you. Okay, reading today. I think it wants to go the other way. Reading today. Yesterday, we looked at text features. You just kind of look for them. We were kind of comparing how fiction and nonfiction are different, which that was a review for you. So we got another day of review, and then we'll be moving on. But our main big goal is to understand determining importance, like understanding what is important in the text to remember. But we're going to get to that. We're going to take steps. So your I can today is, I can use text tools to support my understanding of a text. And that's just today's date, so I would remember. I can use text features to support my understanding of a text. So text features are not just there to be there because the author thought, oh, let me just stick this here. I think it would be cute. No, they have a purpose. They all have a purpose, and the author put them in there for a certain reason. So today I'm going to show you how I look at text features in a book and try to figuring out what they mean. Okay, and how I would use them. So I want to show you that right now, as soon as I have to switch down to a different size. So you can see my screen. I don't know why I always have problems switching. Okay, hold on a second. There it goes. I don't know why it takes a while. It seems like every single time. So anyway, here's what you're going to be doing. Because this is a review, we're going to just go right into it. I'll show you how I do it. In your Seesaw, this is the form you're going to be filling out. So it says use any nonfiction text, and I said I picked Seeing is Not Believing. You probably find them on Epic because you probably don't have any at home, so Epic would be the great place for you to go. You're going to answer these questions about text features below. And if you can't find a certain text feature, you're just going to put an X through it. Okay, so you're going to put the name of your book right there, which I already did. Seeing is Not Believing. The next one says find a caption and what page is it on. So I found a caption right here. Okay, you see that's right down there. And my caption says, rays of sunlight shine through gaps in the trees. Light always travels in a straight line. Light always travels in a straight line. Okay, so I found this on page 7 of my book. So I'm going to put page 7. Whoops. Yep, I meant to put text back. Page 7. And you know when it comes out so big, you need to make it smaller. So it's not as big, if you're better at this than I am. There we go. And you can move it over there. All right. And how does the caption help me better understand the picture? The picture better. Understand the picture better. So there's my caption. Here's my picture. Well, I don't know if you guys can see it as well. The picture. The caption says that the light is always in straight lines. Light always travels in straight lines. So this picture actually shows me that the light is traveling in straight lines. So I'm going to type the picture. I think I'll make it smaller before I type it because I move it down here. The picture shows that light travels in straight lines. So that illustration helps me see that. Okay, now move it over there. That's kind of small, but I kind of wanted it to fit. Maybe I could drag it out. There we go. Remember, your teacher has to wear glasses, so you don't want to make it too small. Okay, and then the next one says, find a map. And what page is it on? Well, you don't know this, but I've already looked through my whole book, and there is no map. So what does it tell me to do if there's no map? Just to put, oh, it changed my, wherever the pen is. I don't know how to do the pen, of course. I'll put a shape on it. How about that? Oh, there's a times, so I'll just put it right there, and that's going to tell me I don't have that. Okay, so then I'm just gonna, I would continue to do each one of these and then answer the question about how does it help me as a reader. Okay. Oh, one more thing before you go off and work. I shouldn't see more than 2 X's, probably 1 X. Because if you have a book that doesn't have very many text features in it, I need you to pick a different book. Okay? So remember, your I can is, I can determine, wrong one, that was yesterday, sorry. I can use text features to support my understanding of a text. That's what we're doing. We're making sure that we understand what the text features do, because it's going to help us understand what we're reading. Okay, see you later.